Hi guys, welcome to a new Unreal Engine 5 video tutorial. Today we are going to see how to integrate the Mobile Zipline System with Mobile Inventory Kit in Unreal Engine 5.8. Alright, the first thing we will do is migrate the Mobile Zipline folder into the project where you have Mobile Inventory Kit. Next, configure the character and add the Mobile Zipline component. The next step is to migrate the animations to the new character. Now, search for the character's animation blueprint to configure the Mobile Zipline instance we just created. We will also migrate the animation montages to the new character skeleton. With this, we have finished integrating both systems. Now, let's see how to configure and use it. It seems the mobile zipline controls are not working yet. This happens because the widget has other widgets in front of it that block the buttons from being pressed. To fix this, we just need to change the creation order number in the mobile zipline component to a higher number. Great. Now everything is working correctly. Remember that you can also add the mobile zipline controls to the Mobile Inventory Kit Custom HUD system. We have several videos on the channel showing that process. That way, you can change their position, size, and opacity while playing. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more content. See you in the next tutorial.